Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today we will be making feeki matri or matthi. This is used in Karvachauth especially and Diwali. It's a really festive dish, and if you're familiar with North Indian culture, you probably know that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe my channel. I upload new recipes every week. So we're going to start with 1.5 cup of maida, which is all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. Any cooking oil is fine. Now combine flour and oil very well by mixing it until it starts to hold a shape. When you make a fist, it should hold a shape like this. This will make your matri really flaky and crispy. Now add little water and make a dough. We want to make a tight dough for this. So our dough is ready. I'm just going to knead it until it's nice and smooth. It is a really tight dough. So I'm just going to round it up and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Once it's well rested, then we are going to divide the dough into 2 portions. I'm going to make 2 matris. This will make about approximately 6-inch wide matri. So we wanted to roll it out in a thick roti or like this. This is very thick and it is about 0.5 millimeter thickness. So you know how thick I want. It's like about half a centimeter thick. So now take a fork and we are going to make a trimming, like a design, just like in India when you buy a ready-made matri, the halwais do that, and then make some holes so that it doesn't puff up. So matri is ready. I'm going to prepare the second one. So it is ready for frying. Now we want it to fry on very medium flame oil, not too hot. Okay, so we wanted to slow fry this. So the oil is ready and I'm going to just put it in and slowly fry this until it changes its color. It may take up to 7 to 10 minutes to fry, and you wanted to reduce the heat if it's too high until we don't want it to burn it or changes its color very quickly, otherwise it will be raw from inside. So nice and slow, take your time and fry this. I'm making this for a special occasion, which is Karvachauth, and whoever celebrates it, I wish very happy Karvachauth to all of you, and I hope this recipe helps you. So it's almost done and it has changed the color slightly. So I'm just going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain it, excess oil, and you have to let it cool completely before you try it. So once it's completely cooled, it is very flaky and crispy all the way through. Even though it is very thick, it is very flaky. So I'm just going to show you. So you can see all the layers, and it is very crispy and nice layers. Now it is really enjoyed with Punjabi spicy pickle, because the matri is feeki, like saltless. It doesn't have any spices in it, but it tastes delicious. It is irresistible. Once you start eating, you wanted to finish the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.